So, hello guys! So, for today's video, kukunin ko po yung cake na in-order ko doon sa Labus kasi birthday ni Aris, asawa ni Madam Jen Alia. Yes! So, advance happy birthday Aris from Dayan Studio and Kitty Pie. So, actually guys, kakapon ko yung na-order. Kaso wala silang online na delivery. Mayroon daw kung order ako doon sa Talabat. So, of course, extra charge na naman. So, yun, malapit lang naman sa amin. Kaya, kukunin ko na lang. So anyway, tomorrow pupunta po kami sa Burj Al Arab. Yes! Mag-check-in kami doon. So it's my second time na maka-check-in doon sa Burj Al Arab, the 7-star hotel in Dubai. Yes, I'm so excited, guys. Anyway, nandun kami last 2021. Yes, doon kami nag-check-in. Pero palagi kami nagpupunta doon like may event, dinner, magko-coffee. So, nandun kami kasi nga, nandun naman si Madam Jen nagwo-work. So, tara guys, samahan niyo ako doon at excited ako makakita sa cake. But, ano ba, dating dito sa amin guys, malapit. Anyway, dito ako palagi mag-grocery. Yeah, so, we're na in the Labus. So, ito yung Labus nila dito guys. Yeah. Masasarap din yung mga cake nila dito. Labus from France with love. So guys, nandito na ako sa Labus. Sinilibay ko na lang yung cake. Yung cake. So ito na po yung cake ni Aris guys. Love with friends from Labus. So hello guys. So for today's video, pupunta na naman kami sa Burj Al Arab. Yes, mag-check in kami doon. So, outfit check muna tayo. So, ito yung damit ko guys na order ko to sa Shein. Yes. And of course, yung watch ko na Coach. Wow. O, diba? Outfit check muna tayo. Shout out na lang ako sa aking Bilbil. And ito yung sandals ko guys, nabili ko to sa Torino. Yes. Very comfortable siyang gamitin guys. Kayang-kaya ko tong suotin kahit 5 hours. Rarampa ako doon sa Burj Al Arab mamaya. So guys, ang dami na po kami sa Dubai. Hello Kitty Pie. Walang tulog. Mostly. So we're on the way on Dubai guys. See you Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab. Nakita na yung tumoy-tumoy. Dahil lipad ang Burj Al Arab is already here. It's true. Burj Al Arab. Here we go again. So guys, alam nyo ba, dalawa talagang security dyan guard. Ayan, nandyan ang World Wadi, oh.
Oh, papa ba ya?
That's
Why?
why.
Dili ito itong gagawin last time, madam?
Yes!
Amo din.
Iba lang ni siya nga entrance, madam.
Okay.
Daghan man na sila diha. Pero layo ra ni siya. So, they have 2 security guard before we go inside, guys. Chicken! Yes! Kabayan! Si Jennifer said, hi! Hello!
Coming in, beware, huh?
Oh my God. So this is the hotel that you like it, Dubai. This is the one.
Open now or not yet? Not
Open
yet.
naman. Madam Berna! Si Madam Berna yan. Madam Berna! Ama, ang sexy! Uy, bad. Guys, nandito na kami.
Hand towel.
Akala ko chocolate.
Hand towel.
Kakainin ko sa... Madam Burns, ganun siya ka-satisfied, madam. Nag-vlog siya sa labas, madam.
And then?
Ganun kainit, tingnan mo.
Oh, init naman talaga.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Sweetheart.
Guys, paakit na kami look at Madam Bird na. Madam Bird.
Sexiness.
Di have a baby promise. While waiting our order. Kasi guys, yung check-in namin is 3 p.m. pa. So, galing kami sa Abu Dhabi. Kami pa talaga ang una kaysa taga Dubai. Ay, anyway, si Madam Berna pala ang una. Talagang nagbablog siya dyan guys sa ganun kainit. Starting from there daw, madam. Naka-vlog siya ng lalakad. Kasi ganun daw talaga siya mag-vlog. From the beginning until the end. Hindi ko yan kaya guys, seryoso. Yes. Wala kasi siyang tulog. Kitipay. Walang tulog si Kitipay eh.
Compensate.
Si Kitipay, even this one is gold. So guys, ito muna ang aming, ano to? Afternoon snack. This not a coffee. I'm drinking a melon. I don't like a coffee anyway. Yes. No, because my heart is so much like that. Palpitate. I'm not a liar, Kitipay.
Somebody now will tell the truth. Alan Phil.
No, I don't like this. Arabica is nice na no, the Arabica. Alam mo ba? Yeah. Where you take cigarettes? Bigyan Madam Berna. Welcome to my home. No, yeah. Madam Berna, come here. So, this is my home, Madam. Ano ta? Welcome here. Look at their bathroom. Oh my God. Oh, happy birthday, baby boy. Madam. So guys, we are here na guys. So, this is our room. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Hello.
Say hi to our vlog. Si Mama, hindi ka pa talaga naganda ng virtual arts up kay lashes. Diyos ko, may sisig tayo.
So this is hello everyone. Welcome to my home. Yeah, welcome to my home. Mr. Alin KJ, welcome to my home. Only my home, okay? It's not our home. Hoy, ang tawa na open the door. Madam Chen, dito pa ikaw niya. You take picture for me, please. Kaya mo yung order. So guys, this is our room. So ituturo lang kayo dito, no? See? Oh my God, Ayos, this is your bar. 55, if you don't have wine, no problem. Just what? Just check the what you want to order? That's the CBD. Yeah, you like nutty fruits? You want fruits? See? Welcome to Burj Al Arab. Yes. Oh my God. Madam, uy, madam.
So we're outside preparing for surprise for Alice's birthday. I hope he got surprised.
Nalak tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, make a wish.
Make a wish first. Natutunan na talaga ang cake niya kasi.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Iiyak na yan! Thank you so much. Here's the birthday. Thank you.
The best birthday. So to this video, itutur ko kayo sa aming room dito sa Burj Al Arab. So before that one guys, isasama ko kayo dito sa aming bathroom. Something like this guys. All is Hermes. The sabon is Hermes. The lotion is Hermes.
Wow.
Nice. And of course, we have a nice jacuzzi. So look up there, toothbrush from Burj Al Arab, of course. And of course, this is a swimming kit. And of course, all is Hermes. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. See guys, look at here. And of course, still have see guys.
Wow.
Now we will go to our room. So let's check it out our room guys. Yani, come here, Yani. And before anything else here guys, this is our what's this? See guys? Beach bar.
Wow.
They have like this.
Hello, ang ganda.
Yes, and this is a paper ball from Burj Al Arab. And then, see guys, they have pa also see
Pusit, no?
sofa. Si Yani, di ba ang ganda, Yani? So,
Na-amaze na siya.
guys, this is our
Siya makapagsalita.
sofa bed, guys. The same color like dress is a leather red. And of course, our TV. So, look at our TV, guys. Okay, go so this is Madam Jen. Aba, guys. So this is our TV. Why is not on, Madam? On. Just wait. Yeah. So guys, our TV is on remote control. Madam, oh. What happened, Madam Jen? Madam Jen. Switch off. Oh, it's not working.
Oh, wow.
See, see, guys. We'll come here in Burj Al Arab.
Wow.
See our TV? So that's all for today's video, guys, for our room tour.
Have a lot
And
of
see you in
more.
our next episode here in Burj Al Arab.